Day in the life of a 24-year-old making $100,000 a month. Let's get it. Not gonna lie, I've been up since 9 a.m., but I've just been FaceTiming my girl and scrolling on TikTok. But yeah, today is the day after Thanksgiving, aka Black Friday. And speaking of Black Friday, most people buy clothes, games, or whatever the hell you buy on Black Friday, but guess what I bought? I actually bought this YouTube course. Dropped $194 on it, and it's actually from this YouTube creator that me and my girlfriend watch. He's a travel creator, travels all across the world, filming all these travel videos. You might have seen him before. His name is Los LeBlanc. But yeah, my motto is I always want to invest in my skills, knowledge, and experience. Everything else in the flashy cars or watches and all the materialistic stuff isn't gonna drive my business forward more than me actually like investing into myself. And it's corny because pretty much every make money online guy out there is telling you to invest in yourself. You're the best investment you can make. But the reality is like that's actually true. And so the reason why I've been able to make 100K a month online since I was 22 is because I've always invested into my own personal education. And no, I'm not talking about college, but I'm talking about actually investing into other courses, coaching programs, masterminds to make myself better. Because the only reason why you're not where you want to be is because you have this ignorance debt, as Alex Hormozi says. You just don't know how to get there. And the only way to overcome that ignorance debt is to invest in your skills, knowledge, and mentorship. And so the big thing here though is you have to be careful what you choose to learn. Don't just learn just to learn. We call that mental masturbation, where it feels like you're learning and it feels like you're improving, but in reality you're doing nothing to move the ball forward. Instead, like, you want to learn whatever is the biggest problem or the biggest constraint holding you back from reaching your goals. The reason why I'm not at $1 million a month yet is because I need to build a bigger and better brand on YouTube and Instagram. Attention is the new currency. The one who has the most attention usually makes the most money. And so in full transparency, that is the whole reason why I'm doing these daily vlogs, why I'm trying to grow this YouTube channel, is because I know this is a vehicle that's gonna get me to $1 million a month. My biggest constraint right now is I want to grow my YouTube channel, which is why I invested in this YouTube course right here, which is a pretty cheap investment, honestly. Like, most courses are like thousands of dollars, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars. So a $194 course, I'm definitely gonna take that. So hopefully you guys see some improvements in this YouTube channel in the next couple days, next couple weeks, months, whatever it is. Now, with that being said, I might know what your biggest problem is right now if you're watching this video. You might be struggling with actually making your first dollar online, or you're looking to get started, but you don't know exactly what business model to pick, or even if you know your business model, you haven't made a single dollar yet. So if that is you, shameless plugin, I do have a link in the description for my free training, breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit, just type messages on my phone. Now you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. Just again, check out the link in my description. It should be the first one. No pressure. I can't control you. You do you. It's not gonna change my life, but I know it will definitely change yours. So yeah, if you want to, feel free to check it out. But anyways, let's get this day started. Let's go. About to change to head to the pool, but I will say going through this YouTube course is fire. Learning a lot more about how to take my videos from just like a random vlog, me just filming my everyday life, to more of like a story and being able to have a purpose with my videos. So you guys will see. Don't know when I'll be implementing some new changes, but hopefully within the next like week or two, we'll see some better vlogs. Other thing I've been learning is more how to take better videos in terms of like the cinematography of like the different angles, the different shots to make a video look hella nice. I thought YouTube was literally just me filming all day, every day and just yapping. But what's gonna take me to the next level is actually having a purpose behind these videos. So not gonna make any changes today because I'm still learning a lot and so I have a lot of planning to do, but hopefully this takes my videos to the next level. Anyways, let's cut to the pool. Done with the pool, gotta hit the hot tub. Extra windy and cold outside. We're going anyways, let's go. Let's get it. It's about to be cold as hell. Just kidding, nah, not doing that. Alright, rip. Now my camera's steamy. Looks like hot tub is not the move moving forward. I was only doing that. I want more clips for the vlog. I think it's causing more pain than good right now. We're gonna have to retire the hot tub until it gets warmer. So you probably won't be seeing the hot tub for the next couple months. Last but not least, gotta post my YouTube video. Hopefully I can get it out in time before my girlfriend comes. I haven't ate food all day today. Not sure if my girlfriend wants to eat again. She just ate lunch a couple hours ago. We'll have to find out. Honestly, I have a kettle upstairs, but we're going to 48 to get some hot water just so I can get more clips. So yesterday, Allison fell asleep while we were watching a movie. I'll show a clip or a B-roll. So
Rip.
we're gonna watch the same movie again.
No, we're not. We're gonna watch it. I'll just look it up later.
First Christmas movie done. Now we're about to get some food. Behind an able man, there are always. It's your fortune.
Someone is speaking well of you. I wonder who it is.
Me? Movie number 2 is finished. How was it, Allison?
Fail.
That was awful.
Cheesy, didn't make any sense, very unrealistic. Also, Netflix is endorsing cheating. She was engaged.
That was like a 1 out of 10. Okay, that's enough Christmas movies for the day. Better head off to bed, but as always, official numbers for the day. So honestly, numbers the past week-ish hasn't been great. I usually expect $3,000 days, and now we're down to like $1,000 days. So a lot of work to be done with my online company. I guess that's the beauty about entrepreneurship. It's not a steady paycheck. And the reality is, like, you work your ass off every day to try to make it as consistent as possible. But sometimes you can't control it. And so I know you might be thinking like, Renzo, like, people would kill to make $1,000 days. And yes, they would. Here's the reality of entrepreneurship. I'm thankful I learned this early on, so it doesn't affect me as much. But every level you jump in entrepreneurship, whether you're at 0, making your first $1 online, $1,000 online, maybe you're making a full-time income around 3 to 4K a month, every level, you almost feel like, holy shit, like I'm rich. And then you just elevate your lifestyle. Maybe you get a fancier apartment. Maybe you get a better car. Maybe you travel way more. And so then you start to become accustomed and you start to get used to that lifestyle you built. Now, anytime you make less than the amount you're usually making, well, your income is less, but your expenses stay the same. So instead of as a beginner, where you have basically no expenses, if you're making 100K a month, you probably have around like 20K a month in expenses. And so the more and more you level up in this entrepreneurship game, like the more stress and the more pressure you put on yourself to maintain that level of excellence and to maintain that level of income, or else you're gonna have to downgrade. Let's just be clear. I do not have to downgrade. I'm not tripping. I don't have to worry about money. But me, every time I see these $1,000 days, quite frankly, like I'm disgusted by myself. Like I hate seeing those type of numbers because, and I know how much more I can actually achieve once I figure out all the right answers. It's just right now, a lot of the problems are very difficult and a lot of the solutions are very unclear. But I think that's what makes these vlogs so important, is you get to see every day all my thought processes, all my feelings. And also, I guess important for me too, it's like I could look back at this a couple months, a couple years from now, go back and remember all the struggles I used to have and be like, damn, like I totally forgot about going through that. It actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was back in the day. But yeah, as always, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your biggest takeaways in the comments below. And other than that, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.